Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Lily. What's your name?
I'm Max. Nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too, Max. What do you like to do fun?
I love playing soccer. How about you?
I like to draw and paint. Do you like drawing?
Sometimes. I like drawing superheroes. Do you have a favorite thing to draw?
I love drawing animals, especially cats. They are so cute.
Cats are cool. I have a dog named Buddy. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have cat named Whiskers. He's really playful.
That sounds fun. What games do you like to play?
I like playing hide and seek. Do you like that game?
Yes, it's one of my favorites. We should play together sometimes.
That would be awesome. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have a little sister named Emma. How about you?
I have a big brother named Jake. He's really funny.
Cool! What's your favorite color?
I love purple. What's yours?
I like blue. It's the color of the sky.
Blue is nice too. Do you like reading books?
Yes, especially adventure stories. Do you have a favorite book?
I love fairy tales. They have lots of magic and fun.
Magic is so cool. Maybe we can read a book together sometimes.
That would be great. Let's be friends, Max.
Yes, let's be friends, Lily.
Yeah!